I work all day long and nobody ever cares for me until it's too late.
My owners always make sure I'm sparkling clean every spring.
I sure wish my owners cared enough to have me cleaned. I'm working twice as hard and it's breaking me down.
I know exactly what you need. A complete air conditioner rejuvenation from D-Hart. Those guys do it right. I got a complete scrub down, back massage, mani-pedi, the works. I felt brand new.
How do I know they can be trusted and will do a good job?
Are you kidding me? It's D-Hart. They have over 400 5-star reviews and don't work off commission or sales spiffs like other companies. Every D-Hart technician is motivated by integrity, not sales. I work up to 30% more efficient now. To top it off, all my components last much longer. This is a no-brainer, bud. Stop waiting and get D-Hart over for a rejuvenation now. Go to www.dhartplumbing.com and click Request a Service. They will call you right away to get a technician over.
Boy, howdy, this feels wonderful. We're going to make sure D-Hart gets over here every spring for a complete AC rejuvenation. Look at how well my air is blowing. I'm hardly working and pumping out more cool air than ever. Wow, what a difference. Stop wasting time and book your AC rejuvenation now. Your AC and utility bills will thank you.